10 radiators, 16 cylinders, and a catastrophic heat problem. This engine is so extreme that the world's best engineers once believed it was impossible to build, and the few who actually tried came dangerously close to failure. 16 cylinders, 4 turbochargers, a design that already sounds unreal, and a level of complexity that pushes engineering far beyond its limits. It's incredibly heavy, brutally powerful, and generates catastrophic heat, and yet somehow it powers one of the fastest machines ever created, the Bugatti Veyron. But hidden inside this engine is one detail that makes it almost impossible to control, because inside the Bugatti Veyron lies a machine that completely breaks engineering logic. This is the W16 engine, a design so ambitious it sits right on the edge of what should even be possible. It wasn't built for efficiency, it was built for one thing: total domination. At its core, this engine uses a rare layout combining two narrow-angle VR8 engines into one. All 16 cylinders are synchronized together by a single, incredibly complex crankshaft, forcing every moving part to work in violent precision, all bound to one massive core. And that's just the beginning, because what comes next is where things truly get insane. Most engines rely on one turbo, some pushes it further with two, but this engine uses four turbochargers working together in perfect synchronization, forcing an unstoppable surge of air into the engine all at once. And that creates one massive problem: the heat. At full power, this engine produces an overwhelming amount of it, so much that it needs 10 separate radiators just to survive. Thousands of components moving together in perfect synchronization, and just one small failure can bring everything to an instant end. This engine makes no sense. So why would anyone build something like this to become the fastest with over 1,000 horsepower and speeds exceeding 250 miles per hour? But the real question is, why build something this extreme, this complex, and this difficult to control? because this was never about logic. It was never about efficiency. It was about pushing limits, breaking boundaries, and proving that something impossible could exist. And that is what makes the W16 unforgettable. It's not just an engine, it's a statement built not because it makes sense, but because it can.